Okay, 2018 Buick Enclave, creaking noise, finally found. Had been driving me batty. But right here, look at this little brace. It's a little brace that goes from here to body bushing and over here. And it had the metal, where I curved the car at one time. It had this metal touching right here. So I got that out of the way. It was still doing it. Changed, put a new strut on it, because it sounded like a strut taking on and off. And put a new strut, and that didn't change it. Sprayed all the boots with lubricant on the tie rod and stuff. That didn't change it. Got looking, and this little bracket right here was up against the car. You can see the scratch marks that was making. That's where the creaking was coming from. So I finally got it, thank God. But I had curved the car at one time and not paid no attention to it. You can see the front spoiler where I had stuck it under there. So thank God I got it, but I hope I help somebody.